Hi everyone, I want to talk about the locks we are putting on the car because we are used to living in South Africa. We are used to locking everything up quite nicely because you never know what happens. So we choose to have these locks. They are the best ones I could find. I watch a lot of different YouTube videos about people trying to break it open and it was really hard, so that's a good sign. So we have two, one for the sliding door on the side and one in the back. So you can't place them on this side because if you do that the door lifts up a little bit, so you can't click the lock in, so you need to place them on this side. And that's also for the back, you can place it anywhere you want. If you can reach it, it's fine. So there's two kinds of these locks. One is a slam lock and one isn't, and we choose to not have a slam lock because if you have a slam lock you can just close your door and it locks automatically. And yeah, I know myself, if I buy that I will forget the key in the car, I will close the door and the door is closed and I can't get it. So that's why we don't have a slam lock, and we have two of these and we're gonna put them in. What we did some extra little adjustments, and that we made an extra strong piece of metal here. We did the same here because if they make a hole here they can always just open your door like that. So that is why we put also a little piece of metal here. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on anything of our van build and van life. Or watch one of the videos that pop up around me and enjoy. Bye!